Today I'm here to discuss about the topic compensatory curves. Compensatory curves is an imaginary plane containing the incisal edges of lower central incisor and tips of distobuccal cusp of mandibular second molar. Compensatory curves are natural curvature in the alignment of teeth that help to achieve a functional occlusion, proper force distribution, and balanced aesthetic. Mainly, there are four types of curves: curve of P, reverse curve of P, curve of Wilson, and curve of Monson. First, we're going to talk about curve of P, which is an anteroposterior curve, and the concept was introduced by F. Graf von Spee in the year of 1890. A line drawn beginning at the tip of lower cusp teeth and following the cusp tips of bicuspid and molar, continuing as an arc through the condyle on either side. The convex aspect of the curve is facing inferior. Next, we're going to discuss about a reverse curve of Spee. In patients with a deep ovibite, the cusp tips and the incisal edge of maxillary teeth is reversed to curve of Spee. So the convex of the curve is facing superiorly. During leveling of maxillary arch in patient with reverse curve of Spee, the opposite curve is incorporated in the maxillary arch. Third type is curve of Wilson, side-to-side curve. Occlusal surface of teeth bilaterally form a curve in a buccal-lingual direction. It is a cross-arch, cross-tooth curve and indicates the difference between supporting and non-supporting cuspine occlusion, which is concave in mandibular teeth and convex in maxillary teeth. It helps in two ways. It makes the alignment parallel to the pull-off direction of medial pterygoid. This provides optimum resistance during masticatory forces. Elevated buccal cusp prevent the slippage of food from the occlusal table during mastication. First one is curve of Monson, lateral curve, which is introduced by G.S. Monson in the year of 1920. A 3D combination of curve of Spee and curve of Wilson. It is obtained by extending the curve of Spee and curve of Wilson to all cusp and incisal edges. It involves molar teeth and concavity facing upwards. So by that, the video ends. Thank you.